Here's how to add packages to your services. From your dashboard, hover over the service you'd like to select and click the three little dots. From there, you're going to click Edit. On the left-hand side, you'll select Add-ons. On the Packages side, you'll click Add New Package, and the Package Setup overlay will open. Next, you'll fill out the following fields. You'll fill out the package title, the description, you'll upload a cover image for this package, or you can AI generate one if you don't have an image ready. And then you'll put the number of hours included in this package. The system automatically calculates the standard price based on your price per hour. If you want to apply a discount to this package, you can input the percentage, or you can just put the discounted package price here. Then you'll click Create Package, and then your package is now live. So now this package is going to be shown during checkout and on your public service page so the booker knows it's available.